Hello and welcome to this tutorial series. This is the first video and we are going to speak about the Microsoft Excel home screen. This is the version I'm using in this tutorial series is Microsoft 365. It's a paid version and it's more about how to use Excel rather than how to install Excel. So this is the Microsoft Excel home screen and it's made up of several tabs. When you just open it, this is how you see the most recent workbooks that you've passed through, like the files that you've been working on. We're going to pass through all the items like workbooks, worksheets, etc. For now, I just want to explain how the home screen looks like. So this is my account. Okay, I've blurred out the email so that you're not able to go use my account, but I can give you that. The passwords will always change. This is where you can create a new workbook. The most recent workbooks are also seen here, the same too when you access it from home. Then shared, what you're sharing with other people. Okay, if you want to open it on an online repository like the OneDrive, Microsoft has cloud platform where you can save your files and access them from anywhere. Then you can also access from your computer, but you have to click on the open side. Okay, so how do we create a new workbook? You click on the new button and that's how you create a new workbook from the blank. We're going to explore more options as we continue. Okay, now that you know that, you can get access to more templates which are seen here. This welcome to Excel, make a list and etc. You can see them here. This is how you're able to access more templates and you can actually search here. So in case you want to search by category, etc, etc, that's how you're able to search. Like you can see here, we have a budget. So if I just want to have a budget only, have a good internet connection, if I search their budget, all this comes through. Okay, all these are template. Okay, so beware of the different versions of Excel. The one I'm using in this tutorial series is Microsoft Office 365. So this is Excel 365. Okay, you can have different versions, maybe the 2016 version, etc. The year is 2023, and let's see what you get from this tutorial series. See you soon. Bye bye.